Most people dream of getting a free car, but when I got this one, I wasn't so sure. Because the car I was given was a BMW, and it cost me exactly $0. Sounds amazing, right? Well, not when you see the condition it was in. The paint was completely faded. Dust covered every inch of the body. The interior smelled like it hadn't been opened in years. And honestly, it looked like this car had already lived its entire life. The previous owner didn't want to deal with it anymore. Fixing it would cost too much. So instead of repairing it, he just gave it away. That's how this BMW ended up in my hands. Most people said I should just scrap it, but I saw something different. Under all that dirt was still a beautiful machine. So I made a decision. I was going to bring this car back to life. The original paint started to appear again. Then came the details. Every corner cleaned, every surface restored. Piece by piece, the BMW that everyone gave up on started looking like a real car again.